Hi guys, today on Robot Hacking Tips, I would like to show you how to control this tiny gimbal camera for any of your robot projects. If you're ready, let's get started. This camera is from a company called CE. It's in the market for a while, and this video doesn't get a sponsor by them, but I would like to share some usage experience with you guys. The camera with gimbal looks really good. You can attach upside down on a drone like this, and also there is a bumper for avoiding vibration, or just put it horizontal for UGV, security camera, or etc. And some couple cables to use with their radio receiver. Note that there seems to be some issue with the internet cable they provided. If you try searching on internet, then some customer report about strange behavior of video streaming and connection. So if you got some issue like this, please suspect that it may be from this LAN cable. So I decided to grab some unused cable from them and make my own RJ48 Ethernet connector, and it's working perfectly. Then connect the power connector and push it tightly in place. Then connect the Ethernet cable. Then you are all set up. I will power it with 12 volt power supply. Then the gimbal will be initialized. We keep it on flat ground at first. Then connect the USB-C cable to the camera. And on Windows PC, open up CE Assistant app. Go to Gimbal Config. We need to make sure that the IP config is set up as we want. So I will use 192.168.10.59 for the camera IP. I pretty much recommend to check on their user manual, and if you have an experience of UDP socket programming, please check on the UART UDP control page. Then you will find all the information about the UDP packets and how to control the gimbal and etc. Or if you are too lazy and one of the ROS user, please check on my GitHub repository, CECam. Then you could clone this package and follow along with this video. So back to Linux computer, the camera is already power on and is connected with my computer to LAN port. So my computer LAN port is set to as static IP 192.168.10.60, and if you ping the camera, you could see a response from it, and that means it's good to go. If you use a command VOL to control and list its devices, you will see one integrated webcam and one is pointing to the camera right now. Next, we run sudo mod probe VOL to loop back, video NR as 40, exclusive cat as 1, and card label as fake device. Then you will see that there will be a virtual webcam showing as fake device on dev video 40, so we will be using this later. On first terminal, we run ROS to run CECam camera control with camera IP and video out as dev video 40. Then on second terminal, we run ROS to topic list. You will see the CE topics showing. Then we run ROS to run image to show image with remapping image to CE image topic and reliability as best effort. You could see the video streaming from ROS image transport topic. So if your application needs image topic, you can use this as it is. Or if you would like to use it as webcam, you can grab the frame from dev video 40, then you could get a video coming same as the normal webcam. Then on third terminal, we can publish on CE Gimbal topic as standard message in 8 multi-array with 5 elements. Set 1 to the first index will make gimbal pan to the left. Then set it all 0 to make it stop. Then set 1 on the third index for centering, and set 1 on second index for tilting up, and set on fourth index for tilting down, and on last index for pan to the right. Also, you can zoom camera by publish on CE Zoom as standard message in 8 multi-array with 2 elements. one on the first index to zoom in, and one on the second index to zoom out. There are 3 modes for the gimbal. 0 is follow, 1 is FPV, and 2 is locking. You can publish to CE mode to change the gimbal mode. The FPV mode will make the tilt and pan follow all the motion from base, but in this mode you cannot directly control the gimbal. On locking mode, it will keep pan and tilt locked in place, so even the base is moving, the camera view is locked. And the default one is follow mode, which we can directly control the gimbal movement. The pan is follow and tilt keeps horizontal. If you check on webcamtest.com and select a fake device, then you could see the real-time video streaming. So you could use this on WebRTC the same manner as webcam and any applications that need access to webcam. One last thing is, the base gimbal is quite hot, so be careful if you're going to use a 3D printed for the attachment. The filament should resist temperature around 60 degrees. And that is today's robot hacking tips. I hope you could learn something for today, or if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to press like and share buttons, and press on subscribe button for a new robot hacking tips. Let's see what we're going to hack next time. Thank you for watching and see you again.